Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna continue our part of making these amazing sprite trails on Scratch. So in the last video we used our mouse pointer for following our sprite, but I said that in the next video we'll make a joystick which makes our project mobile friendly. So that is what we're gonna do today, and this code is gonna be very big, so without wasting any time, let's just start. But before starting, you see a subscribe and like button below the video. Please press that, and I'll see you later. Okay, now let's start. So first of all, in the joystick sprite, I have some variables. These are myself, stick direction, stick power, stick X, and stick Y. And also, one more variable I'm making, it is max stick, which is for this sprite only under the joystick sprite. Also, rest all the variables are for all sprites. This has two costumes, the space and the dragger. Okay, now let's start. So when I receive start, go to front layer, set myself to name of the sprite. Also, go to X and Y, minus 180 and minus 110. Okay, also set size to 110. Set size to 110. Okay, set max stick to 22. Switch costume to space. Set ghost effect to 60. Create a clone of myself. And when I start as a clone, switch costume to dragger. Go forward one layer. Set ghost effect to 25. And forever set, I'm going to take 3 of these out, stick power, stick X, and stick Y. Stick X and stick Y will be 0, and stick power will be absolutely nothing. Yeah, seriously, nothing. Okay, repeat until mouse down. Mouse down, mouse down, mouse down. Okay, go to myself. Now, let's place it if then else. If distance to mouse pointer is more than size multiplied by 0.5, then make a new block, stick drag, and don't press the run without screen refresh. Stick drag, or else wait until mouse down. Now under the define drag, repeat until not mouse down. Go to mouse pointer. Go forward one layer. Point towards myself. This myself will be our original space. Myself, turn 180 degrees. Then set stick direction to direction. And set stick power to distance to myself. Let's place them both in there. Then if stick power is more than max stick, then move a minus max stick minus stick power steps. Also set stick power to max stick. Okay, and now we need 3 blocks. Set stick power to, let's place a divide there, stick power and max stick. Okay, also now we need 2 blocks, but first I'll make the first one. Set stick X to, let's place a multiply, stick power multiplied by the sign of stick direction, and set stick Y to the cosine of stick direction. Okay, we have completed all the code in our joystick sprite. Now for the sprite 1, let's just remove this go to mouse pointer, place that a little deeper. Now let's place the if statement. If stick power is more than 0, then point in direction stick direction and move, let's place a multiply, 6 multiplied by stick power. Let's place it in there. Okay, now I have a pretty good feeling about this. So are you ready to test this, friends? Let's test it. Okay, wait a second. Okay, just look at that. That is very cool. But wait a second. I made a new costume in the sprite 1, which I'll name Mover. It is a car sprite. So when space key pressed or when the sprite clicked, go to next costume. Now, perfect. Okay, from here we have done our tutorials and this playlist, and in the next video please comment down what should I do. But until then, bye friends. I hope this was helpful.